Hey folks, welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. After coming back from Chennai, like lot of things are running up in my life at the same time. A bike which carries me, even that is getting into a trouble. I don't know what is the trouble. When I took to the showroom, they told that there's many things because I have almost driven like 79,545 kilometers. So of course they tell you to do head oiling, or they'll say tappet adjustment, or else timing chain, that this everything. But later I visited one of my old mechanic, a senior most technician for Yamaha itself. So he advised me to change something. Before that, vehicle is farting a lot. Yes, you people heard right. It's farting. The issue in the bike is very small and minute technical issue, no, mechanical issue. But when you take this bike to the showrooms, no, they'll be waiting for the how to cut the customer's pocket. Coming to the prop, okay. So when I'm leaving the accelerator, the vehicle is making a noise that is fart. Okay, and recently I got caught near cops in Bangalore, a place named called Hebbal, and one a big time comedy happened in my life. I got caught, and cop asked me for driving license. I gave him. He asked for RC card, that also I gave. He asked me for insurance, that also I gave. Then finally at last he asked me for emission, that also I gave him, because recently itself I had done emission test. So documents is perfect, there is no jugad in documents. And after that he asked me, did you replace the exhaust, or have you altered this exhaust because of that pataka sound? Then I told him, no, this is the showroom exhaust, so I have not altered or customized anything in this bike except this one sticker, which that also I showed in the vlog. So leaving that, nothing has been altered, not even a pin in this bike. Then he told me, show me the pics in internet. My god, cop is so crazy, I felt. Then finally I downloaded a pic and I showed him. Then he was like, fine, chalo. There was no penalty on the bikes, so I just came off. I didn't know that the bike is making such a huge fataka noise. Then later I just parked my bike in cellar and I switched on the bike. I raised, I could not hear any sound. But again, when I'm riding, I'm getting that sound. Then I took the bike to showroom and I showed many people. They told me many things, but finally the one person who is like a senior most technician, I visited him. He just told me a simple thing: first replace plug, this problem will be solved. Now it's time to make you people listen that farting sound. That sound, pat pat. So when I have parked my bike and when I am switching on the bike, you are not able to hear the sound so much. But in running, the sound is double what you people are hearing. Might be in mic, that sound is not so high, but when we are standing in and around the bike, that sound is really very high and quite irritating. And even the pickup has completely gone down. So again I went back to the showroom and I told them to replace the plug. They told that leave the bike, take it in afternoon or evening. Then I was like, boss, I'm ready to buy the plug. You just give me, I'll only replace it house. Hardly it will take like 5 to 6 minutes, not more than that. So the company plug is here, NGK, and Indian Yamaha Motors Private Limited. This plug was purchased in showroom itself. So let's replace this. Again, if I buy out and if I'm not satisfied with that, no, again I have to go to showroom back and buy it. So that don't need. Better to buy from showroom. It's loose. Why it's so loose? Okay, no problem. don't think so I have cloth in the bike, right? No cloth, right? No cloth. Definitely it will be hot. Damn hot. Wow. The plug is being completely blocked. So only that sound is coming. I hope from today onwards that sound won't be there. Here is the new plug. Normally I change plug every 6,000 kilometers, but I don't know, last time in showroom they might have stolen my bike plug, but they had posted in the bill they'll charge, but they won't put. Let me put the new plug. Now I have to make it tight. It's hot. Old plug is really very hot. Now let's check the sound test of the bike. Sound is. The bike is damn smooth. I think pickup will be there now. I have to replace the air filter also. However, after changing the oil at house now, I have driven somewhere around 1568, rest 1400 kilometers is there. After that I have to leave for service. This time guys, I want A to Z what and all work is there in my bike that has to be sorted out. The irritation sound of that farting of this bike, no, it was in next level. No, it is not there. I hope it is not there. I have to still ride and see. So if that sound is not coming, no, I'll be the happiest person. If that sound is coming, then there is one more big headache of this bike, as well as a big karcha is gonna be definitely coming for me. So that is head oiling. I have to replace the bike wall. The problem is resolved as of now. So if I go for a long ride for my office, that time I have to check. Guys, most sentimental part for Chetan is bike has to be like good. Then only he'll be happy. If bike is not good, then he'll be somewhat very dull. It might be about cleanliness or it might be about mechanical issue. So as of now, bike is bit dirty. I'm waiting for the weekend. So once weekend starts, I'm gonna be definitely washing this bike. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.